Aloha class, this is Brother Castillo. I will be your instructor for Organizational Effectiveness B321. I want to welcome you to the class and say hello and tell you how excited I am to be your instructor for this class, which I think is a great class. Every week I will do a screencast like this to help introduce the information for the week's lessons and activities. All this information is found online, but I provide it as a service so that you can more easily have access to the important information for the week. So by way of agenda, I want to do a welcome and an introduction of myself first, provide some helps and hints, then next provide the objectives for Lesson 1, the assignments due for Lesson 1, and a final thought. By way of introduction, I'm Brother Castillo, your instructor for this class. I have over 20 years as a human resources professional in industry. I am married with 3 boys, and I enjoy college football, running, and reading spy novels. I also live in Highland, Utah. And there's a little picture of my family. And the last thing I want to leave you with is that the gospel of Jesus Christ really is the most important part of my life. All right, so some helps and hints for this class. I would suggest excuse me, you thoroughly review the lesson instructions, the syllabus, lesson schedule, reading assignment schedule, how to understand due dates, excuse me, case write-up rubric. Next, keep up with the assignments. There's a fair amount of work involved in this class. And it's more than just busy work. You will be learning through these assignments. So make sure you read through the lesson flow section in the syllabus and pay attention to assignment completion date time estimates. Finally, thoughtful case write-ups are very important, so make sure you put in a lot of thought to your write-ups, and we'll be talking more about that a little later. And finally, I ask you to be engaged in the case study discussions. Now let's talk about the Lesson 1 objectives. The first objective is to build relationship with class members, examine group dynamics, experience team creation, communication, and expectations, and discuss proper case write-ups. So the assignments that are due, so this Tuesday, 11:59 Mountain Time, go through the orientation to online learning, read the syllabus and schedule, and then participate in the Lesson 1 Icebreaker discussion board by posting your initial post to introduce yourself. Due the following Monday at 8 a.m. Mountain Time is the Lesson 1 syllabus quiz, your Lesson 1 Icebreaker discussion board. So after you did your initial post earlier in the week, reply to 3 other Icebreaker postings. The earlier you do this, the better you'll find out throughout the course as far as posting on the discussion board. And finally, excuse me, the information regarding the accountability project. So one final thought is that you reap what you sow, especially with this class. So what you get out of it is in direct proportion to what you put into it. So I encourage you to put in the work and the effort. It may appear hard, but it will be worth it. All right, so thank you for listening to my brief message. I look forward to being your instructor and learning together with all of you. Take care and have a great day.